Hi everyone, my name's Jack. I am the marketing specialist for SRI Performance. Usually you see me, well, you don't see me. I'm usually the one behind the camera making these videos. I do a lot of the editing, I do a lot of the social media for SRI, Stock Car, and all the companies under that. We're going to be doing a series that we came up with that's going to be SRI at the home, SRI for the enthusiast, SRI for someone that doesn't own a race car, just to show off some of the stuff that we have in our showroom and have in the store that, you don't have to be a race car driver or a race team owner to have to come shop with us. We have normal everyday products that it might save you a couple trips. You don't have to go to Advance or Napa. You can come to us and find stuff that's just as good, if not better, than what they sell, as well as specialty tools that you might think are only online, but we do have locally. So what we're gonna do is just start with a little project. I just picked it up. It's a 1987 John Deere 165 Hydro lawnmower. It's pretty much unrestored. I bought it as is, cash, from a guy here in Mooresville. He just dropped it off. And I'm just gonna show you just some simple stuff that we have in our store that you can use on something just small like this. Restore the carburetor, do some engine work, clean it up, all that. So without further ado, let's get to it. So just to give you a quick overview of kind of what it looks like beforehand, this is literally just how it was dropped off. It's still just got the dirt and the grass all over it. It's got a couple issues with the carburetor. It doesn't want to run at full throttle. A couple minor electrical issues, but I got some stuff in the car, got some stuff in the garage that we're gonna go ahead and at least give this thing a good clean and then, kind of dive into it. Now the first product I'm going to be using is called Surge. It's a industrial degreaser. It was originally developed for use on aircraft. And what I'm just doing here, just going to do the wheels with this, then I'll go over it with a wheel cleaner as well. But just going to get this on the tires and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we should be able to give them a good scrub because they're pretty far from yellow right now, and I'd like to get them back to that nice factory looking finish. Just to give you an idea of how easy this is, I'm going to do this little wheel right here and show you the before and after. Now, I already hit this wheel once before about 5-10 minutes ago. I just wanted to get another coat on there, so when I'm going over it with this, I have some lubrication. Now look, I know these aren't perfect, but they are from 1987. And I'd say for a quick first pass with no harsh chemicals, that's a pretty good result. The rear wheel came out really nicely, and I'm going to show you the before and after on that one too. So here's another area I wanted to talk about, the engine bay. So you got a lot of wires and electrical going on in here. You don't really want to use a lot of harsh chemicals. You don't want to power wash this directly. So I'm just going to use some Surge in some areas and see how it comes out. All right, and here's a little bit after. Now, I want you guys to remember, this is just with a microfiber towel and some Surge degreaser. I haven't used a power washer on the engine bay at all. I mean, look, it's not perfect, it's still dirty. I mean, I'm probably gonna be tearing this down pretty significantly just to chase some wiring issues and just check everything over before I start putting it into full service, but I mean, again, for a one-time pass, you really can't beat that.